Hello, so this is how you remove old oil from Honda lawnmower. You actually flip it on the side and that's where the oil is coming from. Just make sure that you run it for 5-10 minutes at least. I did the lawn mowing first, and after that I started removing it. And the new one, this is a new one for this. SAE 10W30 Honda genuine oil. This is what you need to put in. You may need a funnel to help with it. Looks like it's almost out. You wanna shake it a bit. I brought these 2x4s, but actually they are not really needed. So it's not that difficult, but you have to flip it. Make sure the gas is almost empty when you do it. Okay, let's see. So that's where you remove the cap. That's how you collect it. All right, and the new one is gonna be easy. Just remove this. You can pour it directly, or you can use the funnel. Okay, so this is how you put the oil back in here. You can use funnel. It can be done without funnel as well, but let's try a little bit. Clean oil as compared to the one removed. And how much do we put in? Let's see. This is the bottle. Maybe we need full, but let's check it out. Take this one out first. I believe we are supposed to go up to these marks. More. Looks like all needs to go. Like I said, you can go direct also, but if we have it, let's use it. There you go. Take it out. Take this one out. Check the dipstick. Now we have it up to these marks. You can leave this in for 30 more seconds, and that should be it.